Um, so this is our home page. As you can see, uh, we display our collections here. You can see our categories: tops, bottom, dresses, outwear, accessories, new arrivals, bestsellers. You can click on all of that, and here are new arrivals. We display it also, and at the bottom you can see the reviews of our customers, the and we have here our demo reel. You can play it, but at the very bottom we have Facebook link, IG link, and TikTok link, and more on clickable. Yeah. In the shop, you can choose what you want. With our products all are displayed in here. You can choose what you want. If you want tops, you can go to tops, bottoms, dresses, other accessories, and new arrivals, and our bestseller. It's just the same as in the homepage. The very bottom is only the same here.
Tops, the bottoms, and dresses. And let's go back. You can click here naman yung is view collection. You can see our collections. Yeah. And home categories, same as you will be directed to the shop. And bottoms, and your arrivals. You can click here, see all, to go to shop. And explore collections. Here are the reviews of our customers, and it contains in our footer, it contains our logo, Facebook, IG, and TikTok. And here you can click on your arrivals. And we can add to back. And in our search bar, here you can check out, and you won't able to place or order if you haven't filled up yet the information that needed for delivery. Payment methods. Okay. Place order, place, and here's your order. So here's our website, DNG Apparel, and here's the about our website, and that's all for today.
That's all for our website.
That's all that yun na yung laman ng website namin. Yun. Thank you.